Hi, I'm Robert Oshatz, architect and homeowner of the Elk Rock House. So welcome and let me show you around. I always start a design working from within and I work my way out so that what you see on the exterior is a reflection of the internal space. To give you a better understanding on what we did on the outside, let me take you into my studio. Every site has its own sense of poetry to it, and I try to capture that sense of poetry in the architecture. This is the funnel shape, and it comes around like that in a semicircle. For the site to grow out of the hillside, I turn this into stonework, and then up where I get higher, up in the air, I went to horizontal cedar. So I was using natural materials that are natural to my region of the country. This is the heart of the house where everyone gathers. The materials that are inside this room, like the cedar siding, it continues out and becomes the exterior walls. Being in this particular climate where it's usually overcast, I wanted to bring in as much light as possible. So you see all of this window space to bring in light. When I was designing the house, I wanted to have the very best views for the full family to enjoy together. So it was logical to put the community level on the top level of the house. Well, as you come up to this space, which is a semi-private space, but also really a family space too, there's a desk area here on this side, and then these doors here which slide open and close so that I can close off the sleeping area. The sandblasted glass here is an abstraction of the floor plan. That's just something I wanted to do, have some fun. This is the primary bedroom, and everything's built in. So you have the built-in bed, you have built-in cabinets, built-in bookshelves. Now let's go and take a look at what I did in the kitchen. When in the kitchen, you'll notice that it's a really very open plan. The walls, instead of being straight up and down in the kitchen, are a semicircle, similar to the floor plan that's a semicircle. The semicircular nature gave the opportunity to put in this wonderful window seat that a whole bunch of people can sit in. When you look out on this view, you have Willamette River, and then straight out you get Mount Hood also. Here we're at the transition between inside and outside, because the materials from the inside continue outside and they meet up with nature. Sitting out here, I can look out and see the beauty of nature, and I can look back at the house itself and I can feel the structure's at peace with its environment, and I feel at peace within it. That's it for the tour. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you saw a little bit of Portland in it.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.